Magnetic blue, a special colour that is quite unique. The special varnish was developed solely for the exclusive presentation of the new A4 at the Ingolstadt plant in front of 15,000 employees and painted just once onto an Audi A4. Responsible for this is Rüdiger Recknagel, head of the Audi A4 paint shop in Ingolstadt.
Magnetic blue is ein ganz spezieller Sonderlack.
Magnetic blue is a very special varnish. It has two layers of paint. The combination of the two shades of blue creates this effect of depth and gives the vehicle the fascinating shine that the customer sees. We always want to be the first to work on new varnish effects.
Beim Einsatz neuer Effekte, die wir in unseren Lacken haben.
Susan Nolter from product marketing knows how important varnish is for customers. The color red stands for emotion and sportiness. We have a relatively high proportion of it on our S and RS models, but also on the Audi A1. 12.5% of all A1s are delivered in red, but in total, only 4.2% of our cars have that color. So, the A1 is ordered in red 3 times more frequently than with all other cars. Audi varnishes follow the trend of the times. One example is the significant increase in the color white. In Europe alone, over the past 7 years, it's become roughly 3 times more popular. But what actually triggers trends like these? In Europe, the trend only really started with the Apple and iPad boom, because white then stood for smart, cutting-edge technology. Americans are crazy about this white trend, but they also love black. The French like to buy red Audis. In Germany, colours like silver, grey and black are in demand, partly due to a high proportion of company cars. In southern Europe too, Audi colours are primarily dark. In Scandinavia, however, customers like buying colourful cars. Even though the majority loves black, Audi offers more than 67 standard colours. This is due to customer demand for ever more individual products tailored to specific personalities. But how does an Audi actually get its varnish? Varnishing is precision work. The thickness of the coatings is 0.1 millimeters, which is literally a hair's breadth. At the end, the surface has to resemble a mirror. Any little flaw would mean a loss of quality.
Wenn doch der eine oder andere Partikel mal, sei es im Lack oder auch in der
If a particle does exist, it needs to be removed immediately. Ultimately, it's a combination of robots applying the paint layers and our employees using their sharp eyes to spot any flaws and polish them out.
Augen immer wieder kleine Schmutzpartikel suchen, diese identifizieren, dann wegschleifen bzw. im Lackfinish herauspolieren.
Cathodic dip coating protects the Audi against corrosion. In a large immersion bath with about 330 volts and up to 1900 amps, the positively charged paint is attracted to the negative car body. From now on, everything is fully automated. The robots enable the highest precision during spraying. Filler base coat and clear coat are applied. Per vehicle, that's a total of 14 kilos, which with 2,700 cars a day adds up to 40 tons of paint. Finally, the tiniest blemishes are still removed by hand for perfect results and a perfect finish.